How to see your password in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, let's see if we can do it in the Roblox application. So first, launch a Roblox application. And then, from your bottom right corner, go to More. After that, scroll down and then go to Settings. Now go to Account Info. Here you will be able to see your usernames and other info, but here you cannot see your password. However, you can change your password, but for that you will have to know your current password and you cannot see it directly. What you can do instead is, if you have saved your password in your Chrome password manager, open Chrome, tap on this three dot, go to Settings, go to Google Password Manager, and here if you have saved your password for Roblox, it will appear here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.